What is up, guys? This is Chris, and you are tuned into another episode of the 2 Minute Drill. And I am your host. No risk, no premium. Guys, what is happening? What is up? Look, did we not call it? Not exactly the same as the last couple, but on a premise of being very similar. We had look, I said there's going to be a directional move out of the open, and it's going to be full of fake outs into the minutes release, which you see right here. Look, double topped out, you get the breakout. Psych took you down, broke below 425 for a second, which we knew was big support. People probably shorted here and then got their buttholes completely ripped open on this rip back up. That's why I don't play this action in the morning, right? I much rather play when I know the move is coming, right? I know what's going to happen. And we have that for the most part. Now, we didn't quite get as much down action as we thought. We did get that initial move higher. If we just go a little bit shorter time frame here to the 5 minute, we will see. Look, we never really got like a nice red candle down, which we've seen in the past. We've gotten into a support, but we did get a wick to the bottom. Everything told us to go higher from there. So we took calls on the way up, and then something interesting happened. Couldn't take out yesterday's lows. Matter of fact, we couldn't take out the weekly high either. We couldn't even get up to the 200-day moving average, and we came down. Okay, so what happens tomorrow? Truth is, I don't fucking know, and neither do you. But what I could tell you is this: why am I so far over here? All right. Look, what I could tell you is this: we are probably due for a pullback. Does it come to 420 area? Possible. Okay, it's very possible. We could see this massive supply level over here. Okay, massive supply. So look, what are we going to expect for tomorrow? Right? What would I expect for tomorrow? Possibly to see either 422 or 420 retested tomorrow if we want to see some sellers. Guys, it is OPEX week as well, right? So if we had some uppies, it might be time for some downies. So tomorrow in the pre-market, we have the jobless data, which in my opinion will give a little bit of a move and a possible fake out. Why would that do that? Because if the jobless numbers come in soft, that means the Fed has more room to fight inflation, right? Or if they come in hot, then they might have less room, right? You think about it like that, but it really doesn't matter what you think it really means. All the thing that matters is how do they react to it? So I would think if we open, let's say we opened right here 426, right where we're at right now. I'm sorry, we're not here right now. Where are we? We are at 425-ish if we go, because this isn't going to show, right? Okay, where are we at? Yeah, we're like 420. Let's say we open right at 425. Okay, let's go back to the daily chart here. Let's say we open 425, which is very plausible, right? I would definitely look to see the reaction there. I would think, right, because that is going to be right the weekly low. Okay, that weekly low. Okay, you can see it here would be the 425. Actually, well, I mean 420. Right, 424.50, whatever. Shoot me. Okay, you want to see how we react. Now, if we do break that, we have a lot of room to fall on the weekly chart. Okay, but on the daily, I'd be more concerned with the daily and the day trade that we can make intraday. It would tell me 420 is more than likely. Well, I want to see where the 5MA opens up at. Of course, if we rip the pre-market up to 4,300 ES, which is going to be about 428, 429, 430 SPY, I would definitely be looking at the put side. That has been proven as 1, 2, 3 resistance. Okay, wouldn't be surprised if we hit it again. All right. I also wouldn't be surprised if today's high is a level. I'm sorry, today's close. Right, so I look at this 427 area. So above 427, 430 areas of resistance. To the downside, I would definitely look at 422, 420 as areas that you could see a possible bounce area. Okay, so other than that, guys, you got to wait for the jobless numbers. I'll have more of an update in the pre-market when we get there in our community. But all in all, guys, very fun day this week. Kind of a slow drag up. So do we want to see some possible sellback or sell off? Which would be a healthy pullback. I think anything above 420, I think anything above 420 of a pullback that holds is healthy for us to make the next leg higher. Losing that, I said the 4,200 SPX, Pretty much 4175 to 4200. I know that's a 25-point range, but I would look in there because that was the top. That would be the top of this huge supply level that we ate up and went through first. So a big area of bounce. So anywhere from 417 to 420 SPY is going to be my pivot in there. You could see a bounce in any of those levels. We'll have to see when we get there how the reaction comes. Okay. Other than that, guys, wake up early, watch the market and the pre-market, get pre-market high and low, previous days high and low, and the weekly high and low. And then let's ready to bank. I'll see y'all bright and early in the pre-market. Peace.